Hi, Megha. So working with time is a little bit tricky and you need to convert the numbers as you're figuring out so that when you do your subtraction here to see how many hours they work, then it's still in a time format and it's tricky. So what I did here was I did some research and found this on a website. So I did the subtraction, as you can see here, and then we multiplied by 24 because there's 24 hours in a day. And so that gives us our time. So 8 to 2 is 6 hours. And then I converted this whole column. Actually, I just clicked on the column heading and converted it to the number formatting so that it's a number that we can now add up to get your total hours worked instead of these guys are formatted as time. So I made a little bit of a mess out of your nicely formatted spreadsheet. I'm sure you could do a better job adding these daily totals. So I added these daily totals at the end of each day. And then here we just have the total. So I like your count if it's pretty interesting. Although doing it by the time, you might have wanted to do it by the person, but you still needed to match up this time. I understand that. Or because you this is how you added up your numbers here. So hopefully you won't have to do this. If there's something else that you wanted to do on this that I'm missing, um, let me know. You know, you can make your little chart here, and then these cells here would just equal whatever your totals were that were in this final column over here. Let's see. So you can just make it equal these guys here. And then to make it less busy looking, because I did just copy down the formulas to make it easier. And then I used conditional formatting to make anything that was zero the same, the font color is the same as the background color. So there are formulas in here and there would be zeros in here if you got rid of the conditional formatting. You might want to just create this as a table instead of doing every other one, or I guess even if you created it as a table, you could do every other, but usually tables, the data is touching. But it might be easier to copy down your formulas. And to make it easier to see, you know, you can always make your row widths a little bit wider and um, middle align your information to make it a little bit easier to read. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you need something else, and I will send off this spreadsheet with the video.